Hi everyone, thanks for clicking. Before I start, please do like and subscribe, and let's start with the first news. Akshay Kumar donated 50 lakh rupees to help artists affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Amid the ongoing pandemic, we have seen that several celebrities have stepped up to help the ones who have been affected by the COVID-19 virus. We have seen actors like Sonu Sood, Huma Qureshi, and others who have been constantly supporting and helping people with medical equipment. During the second wave of the pandemic, Akshay Kumar and his wife, Twinkle Khanna, donated oxygen concentrators and other medical equipment to hospitals that were in need of it. Akshay has stepped up again to help the artists whose livelihood has been affected because of the pandemic and the lockdown. The actor has constantly been helping people to fight the pandemic and has gone above and beyond to contribute in every way possible. Next big news comes from trollers and netizens. Netizens want Shilpa Shetty removed as the judge after Raj Kundara's arrest in pornography case. The repercussions of Raj Kundara's arrest are being felt by his wife Shilpa Shetty, as she has now become the subject of trolling for many on social media. While social media was flooded with memes about Raj Kundara after his arrest, Shilpa too had to go through similar embarrassments. Many people called for a ban on Shilpa's upcoming movies, while some people demanded the makers of Super Dancer Chapter 4 to remove the actress as the judge, as they feel that the ongoing matter may cast a bad influence on the kids contesting on the show. Next news comes about Tiger 3. The makers of Tiger 3 to spend more than 10 crore on the entry scene of Imran Hashmi. It was recently revealed that Imran Hashmi is all set to play the character of an ISI agent in the Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif starrer movie Tiger 3. Director Manish Sharma, producer Aditya Chopra, and the team are leaving no stone unturned to make the antagonist of the film as larger than life as possible. The report mentioned that a special introductory scene of Imran costing over 10 crore rupees will be shot. Next news comes about Bigg Boss fans. Karan Johar is all set to host Bigg Boss OTT. Reality shows in India have gained huge popularity, especially Bigg Boss. Over the past years, Bigg Boss has become everyone's favorite, and it is one of the much-awaited shows in India. Recently, the show announced the launch of Bigg Boss OTT. This time, it's something different and fans are definitely in for a treat. Director-producer Karan Johar is all set to host the newly launched Bigg Boss OTT this year. The show will premiere on 8th August 2021 and will air on Voot, as Karan will be seen hosting the show and entertaining us as he does always. Like I mentioned earlier, the show will be different and much more exciting. This time, Bigg Boss fans will get a chance to watch all the major drama and action 24/7 live from the house. Next news comes from Mahesh Babu. Mahesh Babu rejects Hrithik Roshan's Ramayana and gives priority to S.S. Rajamouli. Just a month back, the news circulated that Madhu Mantana is making an attempt to pull off a casting coup by bringing Mahesh Babu, Hrithik Roshan and Deepika Padukone together in Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayana 3D. However, it has now come to our notice that the superstar has rejected Madhu's offer of being a part of this epic. While Hrithik plays Ravan, Deepika will be seen as Sita in this epic. While the makers were sure of getting a yes from Mahesh Babu, however, with him refusing the offer, they are now on the hunt for another actor to play the Lord Ram on screen. Next news comes from a man who pretending to be Shah Rukh Khan's event manager taken into custody for trafficking 17-year-old girl. The man had promised to offer her work opposite Shah Rukh Khan. Everyone want to work with Shah Rukh Khan, but a young girl was lured in on hopes of working with Shah Rukh Khan by a man who, in turn, was responsible for trafficking her. A 17-year-old girl was approached by a man who posed to be Shah Rukh Khan's event manager. He promised to get her to work with Shah Rukh Khan if she travelled to Mumbai from Palashapada in West Bengal. The accused got in touch with the girl through social media and the two would often talk to each other. However, Government Railway Police tracked him down before the matter escalated. Next news comes about Sumona Chakravarti. Sumona Chakravarti, found missing from the new teaser of the Kapil Sharma show, posts a cryptic note amidst the speculations. Actress Sumona Chakravarti became a household name after venturing into the comical genre with the Kapil Sharma show. She became one of the house members of Kapil Sharma in the show and amused the audiences with her comical timings. After a gap of a few months, Kapil Sharma came back with his team and launched the new teaser of their show. But the fans of the show were left shocked when they did not see Sumona in the teaser. It is being speculated that the actress might not be seen in the comeback season of the Kapil Sharma show. Next news comes about Project K. Project K begins with Prabhas, with Amitabh Bachchan and Deepika Padukone. On this Guru Purnima, it is an honor for me to clap for the Guru of Indian cinema, wrote Prabhas. Deepika Padukone had joined the cast of Prabhas Project K in July last year and made the big announcement like this. Beyond thrilled. Cannot wait for what we believe is going to be an incredible journey ahead. Meanwhile, Amitabh Bachchan's inclusion in the cast was revealed in October when Prabhas shared his excitement over working with the cinema legend. Finally, a dream coming true, sharing screen space with the legendary Amitabh Bachchan sir. Project K, which will release in Tamil, Telugu and Hindi, is slated to release worldwide in 2022. Next news comes about Nayanthara. Nayanthara teams up with Shah Rukh Khan for Atli's film. Rumors about Shah Rukh Khan's collaboration with filmmaker Atli have been doing the rounds for a while now. Recently, it has been reported that Nayanthara will be playing the female lead in the film. The superstar, who was last seen in Anand L Rise Zero, co-starring Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma, is set to have multiple projects in the pipeline. While an official confirmation is awaited, a lot is being said about SRK's collaboration with filmmaker Atli. The two have apparently teamed up for a film, and the project has now been joined by actress Nayanthara. Okay, that's it for today. All news sources are in the description. If you enjoyed, please do like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.